Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the March 13th inserts, and I also have the Dollar General ad preview, plus we're going to do a giveaway at the end. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in here. We are going to do a quick flip through of the inserts, which will be coming out in tomorrow's newspapers. So we have a Save Insert and a Smart Source, and those are going to be coming out in the March 13th Sunday newspapers, okay? Unless you get them in your local newspapers. You kind of just have to get out there and learn which newspapers are in your area, what's cheaper, what's the best deal, and which newspapers carry which inserts. It's kind of a, just got to get out there and learn what's out there in your area. So, like I said, March 13th, I cannot even believe that we are already halfway through March, and I know, like myself, a lot of y'all are looking at snow on the ground. Oh my goodness. I was so looking forward to having warm weather from here on out, but I guess that's not going to happen. So, let's go ahead and jump in, shall we? We're going to go over the inserts. I also have the Dollar General ad preview for next week, and at the end, I'm going to give away some Pizza Hut coupons, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so our Save Insert, we have Snuggle coupons. We have some pretty good coupons this week, guys. I'm just going to do a quick flip through, and if y'all need to pause it, feel free to do that. We do have a lot of allergy coupons. Oop, I missed one. We have a lot of allergy coupons this week in eye drops, but you know what? We're heading into allergy season, so that is to be expected. So yeah, but we do have some good coupons. You know, I kind of just weigh it out each week. You know, how much am I going to be paying for this newspaper, and how much can I save by picking up this newspaper? Now, if your area gets the gain coupons, you will get the gain coupons this week. I no longer get those in my area, but looks like some pretty good ones there. Keep in mind that gain products have went up in price, though, unfortunately. And then on the back there, we have some more eye drops. Alright, so there's our Save Insert. Now we're going to move on into the Smart Source. And right here on the front, I think this is going to be a really good deal. So we have Velveeta coupons. Plus, I'm pretty sure we have Ibotta rebates. And we have instant savings at Dollar General. And then right on the front, they're telling us we also have an extra $1 savings on checkout 51. So we're going to have to check into that and come up with a little deal for all of those savings, because that's a pretty good, that's a lot of stacking going on. Instant savings, coupons, and rebates. That's going to be really good. So moving on, we have vitamins. We have U by Kotex. We have Scott. So we do have some instant savings on Scott this week, and we are going to be getting digital coupons as well at Dollar General. One of my best friends calls it Dollar General. I'm like, what are you doing? Trying to make it sound fancy or something? Oh, she cracks me up. All right, so we've got Jergens. We've got Act mouthwash. We have more allergy medicines. We have Blue Diamond. Here's a part of the Dollar General ad. We have Bacon Strips 3 for $5. We are going to get a buy 2 get 1 free digital coupon for the Beneful dog food, so that might be a good deal there. We have Temptations cat treats 3 for $5, and the 9 Lives cat food cans 10 for $4.50. Alright, more allergy medicines. We have an ad there. We have some salad dressings, eye drops. I think this is like some kind of bug killer. I don't know. So anyways, it's a buy 1 get 1 free, but I haven't seen that at any of my stores. Alright, we have Allegra, more allergy medicines. If y'all need allergy medicines, now's the time to stock up with these coupons. My goodness. Alright. Here we have Palmolive. Now, y'all know this week we have instant savings on Palmolive. So, if you were to be able to get your hands on some early inserts, I know Some areas do put out their Sunday papers early, like late Saturday morning. So if you can get your hands on some early inserts, you could definitely take this Palmolive coupon, this 1-off one, pick up, or the 75 cents off one, whichever one is for that size. But you could pick up the Palmolive instead of the Ajax in my little scenario that I put together, and you would get a little bit more savings with picking up the Palmolive. So just a little idea to throw out there, because I don't think we're going to have that instant savings next week, unfortunately. And then we also have Speed Stick and Lady Speed Stick. So again, that was included in the instant savings, as well as Irish Spring. So if you do get your inserts today, you may want to think about throwing in those coupons with that instant savings deal. All right, so that is it for our Smart Source inserts. I'm pretty good. I think a few good deals in there. Again, you kind of just have to weigh it out and see how much savings you're going to get versus how much you're paying for newspapers, because I know newspapers are going up everywhere. So now we're going to jump into the Dollar General ad preview. All of these prices will begin tomorrow, March the 13th again, and they'll run through March the 19th. Now, unless you're into early activation. Now, if there's anybody out there who does get early inserts and you're interested in seeing some early activation deals, you know, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm taking a bunch of notes right now, trying to figure out some new things that I can do with my channel, and we can definitely add some early activation deals if there's enough of you guys out there who would be interested in it, okay? So early activation at Dollar General starts anywhere sometime between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. And you kind of just have to go into the store and scan it and see if the coupons and the sales show up for those products, right? So let's go ahead. Shall we? We have Dr. Pepper 2 liters. They're going to be on sale 3 for $3. We have instant savings. Instantly save 1 when you buy 3 of the Kellogg's products. And that does include the Pop-Tarts and the Nutri-Grain and the Rice Krispie treats. We have a couple of sales here on some food items. We all know we need to save money on food right now. Everything's going up. So here we have some other coupon matchups. I want to point out this is going to be a hot ticket item. We have the Purex packs, 15 count. They're $3. We're going to get a 2-off-1 digital coupon, making those just $1. So that is going to be a hot ticket item for next week, especially since all of these other brands have decided to go up in price, and we don't like that, do we? Now, I also want to point out that we have Scott and Viva paper towels down here, and we should be receiving a $1 digital coupon for those as well. And we do have that instant savings. As always, instantly save 4 when you spend 20 at the register. And we are getting some more coupons. You'll see that here in just a second. So that's going to be another really good deal for Dollar General next week. We also have the Clover Valley sugar and the flour coupons coming back, so now's a good time to stock up on those. We usually only get those around Christmas and Thanksgiving, so I'm glad to see that those are back. We have Mott's 2 for $5. We have a 1-off-2 digital coupon for that. Here's some more food sales, food and drink deals there. All right, nothing much there. We have some Easter and candy deals. Not too much on this page either, just some gardening products that they're putting out. A couple of coupon matchups for the Swiffer down here, but I don't think that's anything new. We have a few home decor items, candles, flowers, stuff like that. Buy one, get one half off on the window panels, the rugs, and the towels. Now down here, right here in the corner, I almost missed this. We have fall and winter apparel, shoes, and accessories for the family up to 70% off. So there y'all go. That should start tomorrow. Look for the blue and gray dots on the tags, all right? And, you know, if you're like me and you're looking at snow outside, you might need some toboggans and gloves at the moment. All right, so we have a sale on Arm & Hammer Carpet Deodorizer, 3 for $5. We have some more little just DG deals here. A couple of coupon matchups down here, but nothing too great there. I mean, nothing really new. We are going to be getting a 5-off-3 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So y'all look for that. That's going to be a good deal. Either way, whether it glitches or not, it's going to be a good deal. We have Dollar Shave Club, should be getting a $2.50 off one digital coupon. Here we have some other coupons that we normally get there. Now, Aussie, we have that coupon already, 2 off 2. We have the Pantene shampoos. These are going to be 2 for $8, and I think we have that 5 off 3 digital coupon still. Now, here's going to be a really, really good deal. Hot ticket item as well. So, we have instantly saved $2 when you spend $8 on Dove or Axe products. And y'all know we just received that Unilever insert, and those coupons don't expire until the end of the month. So, we have a lot of really good Dove coupons in there. Buy one, get one free on the hand soap. We have Axe coupons, Dove Men Plus Care coupons, Dove body wash. So, I'm already working on some deals that y'all can do any day of the week. And y'all know we're going to add that in with a 5 off $25 deal. So, if you guys have the Unilever insert, let me know down in the comment section below so I know how many of y'all are going to be interested in seeing the deals that I put together. Alright guys, so taking a quick look at this back page, just a few sales on some food deals. Here we have some new coupon matchups. We do have this sale on the Snuggle All and Purex products, and we are going to get a 4 off 2 digital coupon, which will leave us paying $5 for 2, which is a much better deal in my opinion versus some of these other coupon matchups where the company has decided to raise the prices quite a bit. Check this out. We have Gain Flings for pretty much $16. They used to be $13.50 on these larger size Gain products. No, they're now $16. I cannot even believe it. But you won't see me buying that at that price. No way. But we do have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Palmolive dish liquid. So that is a higher value coupon versus the 1 off 1 insert coupon. And then down here at the bottom we have instant savings. Instantly save $4 when you spend $20 on Cottonelle, Kleenex, Scott, and Viva products. And like I said earlier, we have digital coupons for all of them. So we have Cottonelle, 1 off 1, 50 cents off 1 for the Kleenex, and 1 off 1 for the Scott bath tissue. And the Scott bath tissue will be on sale for $4.75. Plus, we have those 50 cent off 1 insert coupons as well. And then on the front here, like I showed you before, we have a 1 off 1 for the Scott paper towels and Viva paper towels. So that's going to be a really good deal, especially to pair up with our Saturday scenarios. So my top 3 deals that I'm going to be looking at is the Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex deal, instant savings. So I'm going to be working on some deals with that. Plus the instant savings for the Dove and the Axe products. That's going to be a really hot ticket item. And also this Purex laundry packs for $1. So there's my top 3 for this week. Now, I'm going to give away some Pizza Hut coupons, shall we? So, if you guys are interested in Pizza Hut coupons, I have 2 of these papers of coupons that I'm going to give away. Because I will never use them. So, let me know in the comment section if you're interested in winning these Pizza Hut coupons. Just leave me a comment that says Pizza Hut or I want the Pizza Hut coupons or something along those lines. And then I will throw all of those comments into a random comment picker, and we'll choose 2 winners, and I'll announce the winners tomorrow. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you all the coupons because they're doing it a little bit differently now, where you have to download the app and order through the app and then type in the coupon code, okay? So I can't show you all the coupons, otherwise I'll just give away the codes to everybody and nobody will get some good deals on pizza. But what I will do is I'm going to leave it typed what the coupons are for in the pinned comment down below. So check that out and let me know if you're interested in winning these Pizza Hut coupons. Now, also, I wanted to go ahead and mention that I am doing a bigger giveaway video where I'm going to be giving away some gift cards. And that's going to kind of be like a subscriber appreciation video. So, in that video, I am kind of bragging on y'all. So, if you have any pictures of couponing hauls, clearance hauls, it doesn't matter which store. It doesn't have to be Dollar General. It can be Walmart, Walgreens, you name it. Everything goes. But if you have a haul that you want to show off or a deal that you want to show off, send me a picture to crazycoupons1@gmail.com and I will add that in the video. And I'm going to be working on that today, so hopefully I'll have that done today and tomorrow and can upload that this week, and we're going to give away some gift cards. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.